Hello Stampers, I'm Dina Lanzendorf at Inkin' with Dink. Welcome to my video today. Today I want to show you some really fun 3D projects that I received in a recent swap that I participated in. Now my team does a monthly card swap every month, and then they do a 3D swap every other month. And it is so much fun to see all of the fun projects that everyone comes up with. So I thought I would share with you today the ones that I received in our February card swap. So are you ready? In our February 3D swap, caught myself there. So are you ready to see it? Then let's do this. So this is a really cute box that I received, and I believe, now I'm going to have a hard time remembering who did what. I even hate to say, but I think Deborah did this one. So this is a designer series paper belly band that slides off. And then the box opens like this. And look at that fun little biscotti in there. Yum. But I thought this was just a super cute box. And you notice it's purple. And yes, when the swaps come around to me, I do always tend to grab purple items because they are my favorite. But I thought this was just a really cute box. I have this super cute little bunny and egg here. Diane made this one, and she said she made the egg out of the framelits in the catalog, or the dies in the catalog that go with the dinosaur set. But it turned out super cute, being a little Easter egg cracked open with the little bunny on it. So super, super cute. Again, Diane made that one. This fun little package of little nuggets with the bunny ears on top, I thought was super, super cute too. Jerry made this one as kind of a gift for all of us, and look at the cute little bunny tail on the back. So super cute that one is. This is a fun little nugget holder also. Dana made this one, and this uses the bunny that was in the catalog that does like the magic hat and stuff. I don't know that this one is still current, but we're able to use retired stuff on our 3D swaps. But I thought this turned out really cute the way she did it with the little bunny butt in the back and the body in the front. But Dana made that one super cute. This fun box, and oh, now I'm going to completely draw a blank on who did this one. I think, nope, Diane made that one. I'm not sure, dang it. But a cute little box, and I love the animals on the top of it, and it lifts up like this to open up. Super, super cute, and I so wish I could give credit to who made this. So if you're watching and you made this, please let me know, because I do want to give you credit for this super cute box. I love it. I think it turned out so stinking cute. This is a bookmark, and I made this one, and it coordinates with the swap card that I made this month also. So that way it was super easy to do them all at one time. But these cute little paper clips I actually got at Walmart. They were just in the office supplies section, and they make great bookmarks. And bookmark was a theme, obviously, because Sheila made this bookmark, which is super cute. This is the snowman punch. See, it's upside down snowman that made the little bookworm. And if you pull this out, then there's the ribbon that goes in, and that is actually your bookmark. So super cute. And it says you're cute as a bug. Love it. And finally, I have this fun little thing that is actually a chocolate bar wrapped up to look like a chocolate bar. Super cute. Sandy made this one, and she talked about what a pain all this was, because all these layers are popped up with dimensionals, but it looks super cute. She did a great job with it. All right, so what I also wanted to show you guys today is I had a recent celebration dinner with some of my team members, and I made little Easter goodies for them at their meal. So I just wanted to show you a couple of them and actually show you how to make one of them. So this cute little box I made holds a couple of the marshmallow bunnies. And if you look at this real closely, you will notice it is a French fry holder from a McDonald's Happy Meal. So all I did, I bought myself a Happy Meal with cute little fries, and I fell in love with the little container. So I just carefully took it apart, brought it home, traced over it with on cardstock, and made these super cute little, they're fry boxes, but they hold the marshmallow bunnies. So simple. So it's great how you can get inspiration everywhere when you're doing paper crafting. Another thing that I made for him are these cute little bunny holders, okay? And mine is holding a peanut butter cup. Now, I actually saw these online. Several German demonstrators made these. So, of course, the dimensions were all in centimeters. So I decided to make some and convert it to inches to make it super easy for us to make them too. So I'm going to share with you how to do that. So we're going to start off, you're going to pick the cardstock color of your choice, and you are going to cut a strip along the 11-inch side that is 1 1/4 inches wide, okay? Now the width of this can vary just depending on what you want to put inside of it. Now if you want to put a Ferrero chocolate, you just need to go a little wider. So you just need to be sure that your candy fits in it going this way. Okay, so again, this strip is 1 1/4 by 11 inches. Then you're going to go, and on the long side, you are going to score it at 1/4 inch, 2 3/4 inch, 4 inches. Let me get my little arm out here. We'll move him up there. 5 1/4 inches, 6 inches, 6 1/2 inches, 7 inches, 7 3/4 inches, and 10 1/2 inches. So a lot of scoring, but in just a minute you'll see what all that scoring was for. So you're going to start scoring down on the little 1/4 inch side that you started with. You're just going to fold that in, and that is actually going to be the tab that gets the adhesive. Okay. The next score up, you're going to fold the same way. Then you're going to take a bone folder, and you're going to break the fiber and kind of curl in that section. Okay. Then from there, this is going to go back out, folded like that way. Your next score line, you're going to fold it in, and that is going to be, and I'll put this here to help see, this is going to be this ear right here. Okay, so the next score is up this way. Then I'm going to skip a score line, and I'm going to fold that one in so that my bunny ears look like they're the same. And then those two little scores there are going to fold out like that. Okay. Then from here, okay, so we've got that like that. The next one is going to go out. Okay. Again, you can kind of see through here my bunny ears. Okay. Then from this one, I'm going to use my bone folder again so that it curls out. And then the very last one folds in, and that's where the first tab is going to adhere down. Okay, so let's get some Tombow glue out here, and let's start gluing some stuff down. So I'm going to put some glue there, and I'm just going to fold that little tab right over the top of the big one there, and just hold it for a second while it takes hold. Try to get it straight here. There we go. So then it looks like that. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down and I'm going to fold the ears, okay, like that, so that it's all drawn together right here in the middle. And this is key. Oops, let me grab a paper clip really fast. Because what we're going to do is we're going to use our paper clip to help hold it. Okay, so again, here's all my ears. Okay, we're going to fold it together, and right along here where they're all folded together, I'm going to put some liquid glue. Okay, you don't need a ton, but I do want to fill in the crevice like that, so you can see that with the light reflecting on it. I want to fill it in like that, okay, because you want all of that to hold together. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a paper clip and I'm going to clip that together just like that, and I'm going to let that sit and dry. Okay, so then this one has been drying a little bit. Then while it's kind of together still, you're going to start forming it. Okay, so this one, you kind of want to pop that up because you want that to be flat-ish on the bottom, because that is where your piece of candy is going to go. Okay, then this ear on, and I'm kind of dry here. Let's see if we can do this without popping this one open. This is one I did earlier. You're going to kind of spread the ears apart like that, but this one you want to open a little bit. So you're going to take a pencil or a pen and you're going to put it in there, and that's just going to kind of help open that up a little bit, okay, so that your ear is popped open. I got adhesive on that already. So what I like to do is just kind of rub it a little bit so that it breaks the fibers, so that it opens up that ear. Okay, and this one, you don't really want it open because it's kind of folded over, so it's supposed to have that look. Okay, then you can choose to tie a ribbon on it or leave it, whatever you want to do. And then you're just going to, I use tear and tape, okay, and put a little piece right in here, and that's where I stuck my candy on, right like that. So I'm going to put my paper clip back on here because he's not quite dry yet, and I want him to be able to be used. But this is what your finished thing looks like. So it just kind of looks like a little bunny head with the little ears. So there you go. I hope you have enjoyed looking at all of the 3D projects, and also the directions of how to make this cute little thing here. Please share my video because I love it when I get lots of new people looking at it, and also give me some hearts because that makes me know that you like what I'm doing. If you leave a comment on this video or any place that I have this video at, either on my Facebook page or my blog, I will do a drawing on, let's see, when will we do the drawing? Today's Thursday. Let's do Sunday evening. I'll do a drawing to give away one of these bunnies. Now what I will do is I will send it to you flat like this, okay? But it'll all be glued. So then all you have to do is plump it up and then stick your candy inside, whatever kind of candy you want to use. So again, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this little bunny, and I'll be sending one out to a lucky winner. So thanks for watching.